Would you like to pick some candy? Want candy for your pumpkin? Huh? What do you think you like? Twix?
Good job.
Want something for Mommy and Daddy? Take something for Mama. How are you guys doing?
We're doing good.
How are you?
Oh, good.
Thank you.
And what
Thank you.
the dad? That's what my granddaughter calls her dad. Good boy, the same parent. You all gonna have the same? Okay.
Oh, no, all done, bud.
You want something else? Have one of these? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, you can. Here, I'll give it to you. You take it. Okay?
Thank you.
All right. Have fun.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Aw. Enjoy these years. They're so precious.
Yeah, it's fun.
Bye, sweetie.
You okay?
Thank you.
Okay.